Reure.
Jastori.
Justo.
Yes.
Justo ne Justus.
Kurugamio wira kidogo.
Niki.
Kauta ila supermarket. Na ila supermarket nego you put in the hours.
Usually is long working hours.
Kauta ila supermarket. Isi tale chain nene. You know there are those ones with the chain. And the kuita chain nene.
Siya branches yo kadhaa.
Yes. Iwa kiuta hiyo siya branches ke?
Kadhaa.
Leo ni akire muthenya wake wa off. Mundu ni aheo muthenya omwe. Depending on the supermarket. Yes. Leo muthenya wake wa off ri. Kura tukana guku yana mucemani wa emergency. Kura tukona andu aria me off ri. Me kuingira mucemani ucio ke?
Fashuari.
Woni raini. Me kuingira andu arugongo mauga ati oro-ini.
Oro.
Ona mathegu ya oro-ini. Maundu ma
oro-ini. Die marutire horo wa oro.
There's a Facebook wall. Rogo madro de akuru mauga. He ne ndonire oro-ini. Ni urahikania. Tell what's up? Yes. Actually, the people of interest in that meeting, I think there was only the boss. Na geri the physical. I got the manaliki.
Manali won raini.
Yes. Leo Justus me miari. Tiage do like camera yake. Akile ka tripod. Yes. Na kile ainya hali hadi ka okay. Join. Yes. Thank you very much. Please let us test your microphones and see if we are together. Yes.
Yes, my name is Albert. Yes, Chen. Can you hear me?
Albert, you okay? Thank you very much. Karaoke? I know we can get you karaoke. Thank you very much. Sarah? Sarah, what is that noise? Sorry, it's my baby. What should I to leve? Yes, yeah, you can give her a few minutes. Thank you. Good. George, you're in a very windy place.
Niko kwa balabala.
Can you open your camera?
Niko kwa balabala.
Where are you heading to? Niko Chago, niko kwa Duthi. Are you able to give us a few minutes? We don't take long. Awacha nichuke. Siwezi chukia hapa. I will chuka in the next center.
Hapa ni pabaya.
Hapa watu wanapiga nguo. Justus? Justus Memia? We cannot see you. Your camera is off. Oh, sorry. Can you see now? We can't see you, Justus. Can you hear us? I can hear. Now I'm not sure where to place. Justus. Justus. Is there a place where they have the icon of the camera on your phone? This one that look like a video camera. Yes, that one. Press there. Good, thank you. Now we can see. You are visible now. Can you see us? Wow, I can see all of you many.
Glowly.
So, I think we can start the meeting formally. We'll have a very, very brief agenda now that we are all of us. Justus?
Yes.
Sorry, can you pan your camera a little to the position it was? Oh, like this. Justus.
Yes, sir.
What is that I can see in the background there?
Where?
What? Justus, you're not going to do that. Not literally. He was dumbfounded. Justus, I need you to tell us clearly what a shopping trolley is doing in your house. You are saying this one? Yes, that is a shopping trolley, and I recognize it because those ones are unique to here. No, you are long.
There is another one I used to work.
This one I have before I work for you. Justus, who are you fooling? You see, look the size. It cannot tosea in our supermarket. Nini na nyinyi. So Justus, explain to me like a 2-year-old. Where did you get a shopping trolley? Because they are not sold. This one, when Nakumat close, they start to
giving
to Anelela. My Aniko took 10 and divided amongst his faithfulites. Justus, you do realize that is not very convincing. Now what do I do?
Atia.
Justus, unaweka vyombo kwa trolley ya supermarket. You know I like it because it drains.
The drainer.
Niatuke a person of interest in fraud. So he really fumbled and stumbled. Gutariria kuria kwa rute take.
Turore nyumba.
Oh, you are Justus.
Yes.
See, you are the one who is usually given the work of transporting goods for customers who are not far. Si huwa unatoka na trolley unavuka barabara.
Ndio.
So ukaona utoke na upeleke kwako.
Hii si ya huku.
How are we supposed to know that, Justus? Oh, true of God. I Justus Memia, I still know trolley.
Kamera nĩ ramwĩtanĩire.
Achokia, honey.
Tiruti kamera, honey.
There? Are you seeing now?
Kumbe turore.
Ay. Don't push, Justus, don't push.
Sorry.
Oi, Trolly. I can remember your padding.
Investigation.
Yes.
Oh, Justus.
Man, miari. Kamerete msemani ya sumu mu.
Ndangĩmĩenda.
Ya oro inĩ.
Ndangĩmĩenda. Kana ingĩrathiĩ tenja.
Ingĩrathire nja kana rooftop ma ngai.
Thaa 10:54.